Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll see the pie chart in Power BI desktop and we'll understand it in detail. What is pie chart in Power BI and when to use it. So the pie charts in Power BI are mostly used for visualizing the percentage contribution for various categories in order to assess the performance of these particular categories. Okay, so we are able to see the which category is giving the more value among that other particular categories. Okay, and pie charts are often used in business. Example include showing percentage of types of customers, percentage of the revenue from different products and profits from different countries. So we can analyze that by using the pie chart. So let's see it in detail in Power BI desktop. So in by this particular option from this visualization pane, we are able to take that particular visual on our page, and then we'll have to add the fields in this field section. So in the legend, we can add the regions. In the details, we can add the product categories, and in the values, we can add the cells. So here we'll get this chart showing the cells by region under product category. So these colors are showing the regions, and it is divided further into the product categories. Okay. So we can format it by using this particular format option. So general, legend, data colors, and detailed labels. So we are able to give that particular formats. I have covered that in previous videos, so you can see that. Okay, there we can add the display units from this option. In the detailed label option, we can add the shapes. We can change the degree from this. Okay, and we can add the title, the background, and the border, the shadow. Okay, so in this way we can create this, and after moving towards here, so this particular bar is for south region. The product category is technology and sales is 6.81 percentage. Okay, so we can say east region is having the more sales over the all the categories of product. Okay, so we can get the insights like that from this particular visual, and in this way we can create the pie charts for analyzing the particular category over from the all the categories. Okay, and the next chart we'll see the donut chart in Power BI, and we'll explore it in detail. Up to that, please don't to miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos. And up to that, thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you want to learn the real-time projects in Power BI and task in Power BI, so you can check my description. I'm giving the link in the description. Okay, thank you.